Right on, folks. It's the beginning of day 4. Day 3 kind of got rained out at the end there, eh? Brandon couldn't really finish things off properly.
A little bit.
But yeah, expect a little bit more rain today. We're gonna head over to Grand Design first, try to shoot some long form videos, and then we're gonna swing back over to Thor again, check out some brands we don't carry, see what's going on there, and yeah, see if we can make some things happen over there. Anything else, Brendan?
No, I'm excited for the day. Hopefully it doesn't rain until a lot later, and enjoy everything you're gonna see.
Right on, folks. So yeah, halfway through day 4 here, and yeah, just did some long form videos at Grand Design. We're gonna head back over to the Thor display, try to finish things up there. Like I said, we got rained out yesterday, so want to get through everything there. Gonna stop by some cool stuff. We're gonna, I want to look at some motorhomes maybe just for some fun, and then hit up the Airstream booth, finish up with Jayco, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna get through that. Anything you're excited to see?
The food, buddy.
The food is good.
Yeah.
The food is good down here. I definitely went up a dress size.
Yes.
Right. But yeah. So we're gonna try to finish things up and see you guys at the end of the day.
What's going on, everyone? We're having a great day on day 4. We've been checking out a lot of cool product, getting to speak to the people that sell it to us, getting to continue those relationships. It's been a lot of fun being able to do that.
We just stopped at like a smaller exhibit here outside of Thor. They sell like this Moab, like zombie apocalypse kind
Super
of machine,
sick
right?
truck, yeah.
And then what's that other one, the Oliver?
It was an Oliver,
Yeah.
Some a little different, fiberglass on fiberglass, all aluminum, like throughout the entire actual frame of the trailer. It was cool.
It was cool. So that's probably gonna be it for day 4. Driving home day 5 tomorrow, so we'll do a couple quick vids there. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thank you.